Hello again, ganda kachika life. Kumusta po kayo mga kachika? Heto na naman po tayo para sa ating panibagong showbiz update. Sa wakas, nagsalita na nga po ito si Miss Liza Soberano sa tunay na status nila ni Mr. Enrique Hill. Isinapubliko na nga po ni Miss Liza Soberano ang hiwalayan nila ng dating love team partner at boyfriend na si Mr. Enrique Hill. Noong December 2023, unang naiulat nga po na naghiwalay na po ang dalawa. At kung matatandaan nyo nga po, nabanggit po ng PEP-PH October 2022 nung sila ay naghiwala. Sa podcast nga po, episode ng Can I Come In nitong Webes, August 14, 2025, nangyari ang tuluyang pag-amin ni Miss Liza sa kinahantungan ng masayang relasyon nila noon ni Mr. Enrique. Kasama sa nasabing episode ni Miss Liza ang podcast cinema documentary director na si Miss Sara Barba. Pagtatapat nga rin po ni Miss Liza, mahigit 3 taon na silang break ng aktor. I've been honestly itching to tell people this because I haven't been very truthful. Ken has been very truthful. Ken and I broke up. We've been broke up for almost 3 years now. Ken nga po ang palayo ni Mr. Enrique Hill sa malalapit na kaibigan nito. May mga bagay daw na isinaalang-alang noon si Miss Liza kung kaya't hindi niya agad maamin sa publiko na hiwalay na silang dalawa. Una, nakiusap daw sa kanya si Enrique na gawin muna nila itong pribado. Lahat pa nga po ng actress originally. The reason why we haven't said anything about it because Enrique or Ken asked me not to say anything about it first. And I think I don't want to speak for him, but I think it was coming from a place for wanting it to be real. Pangalawa naman po, aminadong nakaramdaw ng takot si Miss Liza sa posibleng mangyari sa kanyang showbiz career sa Pilipinas kung sakasakaling malaman nga po na break na sila ni Mr. Enrique. At the same time, I agree that because I always didn't want it to be real. And this is coming from the people pleaser side of me because I was so afraid that if people found out we weren't not together anymore, my career will go bad. Or people just wouldn't love me anymore. It was me again pretending or putting the things I needed to do myself off to make them happy or make them feel safe. But yeah, me and Ken broke up almost 3 years ago. Pagsisiwalat pa nga po ni Miss Liza, bago pa man sila magdesisyon ni Enrique na maghiwalay, ay nararamdaman niya na hindi na siya masaya sa piling actor. Pansamantala raw itong pinagsiwalang bahala ni Miss Liza sa takot niya sabihin at kumprontahin si Mr. Enrique sa tunay niyang nararamdaman. Pag-amin pa nga po ni Miss Liza, a year before I actually broke up with him, there were already signs that were showing me that I was unhappy. But because I had built up this kind of toxic habit of pushing away anything that I felt like bothered me because I was afraid of confrontation, I decided to just swallow it or sweep everything under the rug. I remember I did a mental check with myself and I accepted that there were certain things about him that I wasn't okay with, and it's just always going to be like that. And that just life, like you had to win some, lost some, you had to deal with the good and the bad. Saad pa nga po ni Miss Liza, noong mga panahong raw iyon, pakiramdam ni Liza na si Enrique na ang lalaking papakasalan nito. So I was mentally telling myself these things because we were already at the point almost 8 years together. And I was genuinely expecting us to get married, but then that didn't happen. Bagamat nauwi nga po sa hiwalayan ang nooy masaya nilang pagsasama, masasabi raw ni Miss Liza na hanggang sa huli ay hindi nawala ang buong pusong pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa ni Mr. Enrique. Sabi nga po ni Miss Liza, I would say it was such beautiful breakup because it was still so full of love. Thought it was hard for me to actually break up with him because I love him. I love him as a person. Sa puntong pagbalik tanaw ni Miss Liza sa relasyon nila noon ni Enrique ay hindi na niya napigilan maging emosyonal. Aniya nga po, malaking partis ng buhay at pagkatao niya si Mr. Enrique na tinuturing niyang childhood best friend, hindi lang basta boyfriend. Ani Liza po, when I look back at our time together, I see good moments of all time. I think of him as like a childhood best friend. Abinado nga po si Miss Liza na labis siyang naapektuhan sa kanilang hiwalayan. Minsan, iniisip raw niya na kung nananatili siya matatag, baka masaya pa sila hanggang ngayon ni Mr. Enrique. Ngunit sa isang banda, mas nanaig daw sa actress ang kagustuhan niyang piliin ang kanyang sarili. Lumago at mahanap mag-isa ang mga gusto niya sa buhay. Mangiyak-ngiyak niyang payag, I carry a lot of guilt for not being the one that held on because that was my fans wanted to do. But also I needed to find myself and grow too. And there were things that I knew that I shouldn't tolerate for the people that look up to me. For the younger me and also for my future children. Paglilinaw nga po ni Miss Lisa, walang ginawang masama sa kanya si Mr. Enrique. Maayos daw silang naghiwalay sa paniniwalang hindi na sila para sa isa't isa dahil sa magkaiba nilang gusto ang prinsipyo sa buhay. And that's not to say he is a bad person. Paglilinaw nga po ni Miss Lisa, he didn't do anything bad, nothing bad happened. Our breakup was really good. It was just that we weren't at a match anymore. Sundot na tanong nga po ni Sarah Babas sa kanya, do you think you can get a place in your heart where you liberate yourself for the guilt having choosing yourself? Mabilis na sagot dito ni Miss Lisa. I really genuine, I hope do, because I still very bad about it. Like, wherever I talk to him, we still talk from the time to time. Whenever I just, check in our circle of our group of friends, I can help but feel like I was so selfish and I feel guilt about that. And don't know, I feel like I was born to be the person, the understanding person, and I don't know why I couldn't do it in that moment. And I forever will hate myself for that. But that is at the same time, I knew deep down in my care that something was wrong and that will be doing a disservice that only to be but him to I didn't say anything or do anything about it. I'm not there yet, but I hope to be. Kung matatandaan nyo nga po, naiulat nga po ng PepPH noong December 2023, sinabing October 2022 pa at naghiwalay ang dalawa. Ibig sabihin, bago pumunta si Miss Lisa sa US para subukang pasukay ang international scenes, ay wala na sila ng nobyo nito. Pero matagal din in denial nga po si Mr. Enrique. Sa panayam nga po kay Mr. Enrique sa TV Patrol noong April 2023, sinabi nito na we're good, nang tanungin tungkol sa estado na relasyon nila ni Miss Lisa. Kung matatandaan nyo nga po, dagdag pa ito ni Mr. Enrique, she's really busy with her stuff there. I'm going to visiting her maybe when my schedule clear ups. I think she's coming back here, but yeah, we're good. Padidiin pa nga po ni Mr. Enrique noon, because Hope is in the US. She's doing her own which I am going to support no matter what. I love her to death. Sinakyan naman po ni Miss Lisa ang payahag ni Mr. Enrique dahil sa isang interview niya sa ABS-CBN News noong August 31, 2023 ay hindi niya rin inamin na iwalay na po sina. Sinabi ni Miss Lisa na nagkikita pa rin sila ni Mr. Enrique. Aniya, every once in a while, occasionally mostly, because we're both constantly flying. I've been in the United States for a while and then I come back and he's been flying so it's very seldom now. But yes, we do met. We still do. Paglalahad pa nga po ni Miss Lisa noon. Pero base sa nasakalap na nga po na impormasyon noon sa isang interview nga po ni Miss Lisa noong March 2023 kung saan tahasang sinabi ng actress na hiwalay na sila ni Mr. Enrique mula pa noong October 2022. Paglalahad pa nga po ni Miss Lisa noon, may mga nakiusap na huwag ilabas sa panayam sa kanya kaya hindi ito napapanood sa publiko. Ang unreleased interview kay Miss Lisa ang matibay na ebidensya noong mga panahong iyon. Mahigit isang taon na ang nakakaraan buhat tapusin nga po nila ng Mr. Enrique ang kanilang 8 taong pagsasama. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, subscribe na sa Starlight Showbiz YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.